Guys, Sam doing a vlog here at Rooty Hill. So arriving in a platform number 4 here at Rooty Hill. H29 is the rear half. Didn't get the front half because I'm a twat. Emu Plains service next to Uley Mount Druitt, followed by St Mary's, Warrington, Kingswood, and Emu Plains. Penrith Emu Plains. Tangara departing platform number 1. Hornsby via Gordon service. T63 is the front half, I'm pretty sure. No, T83, sorry. Not going to face the camera the other way because, you know. Rear half is T61. A71 arriving for a Penrith service. Sorry I was late for that one because, you know, my phone decided it would stuff up, so. Almost made it as well. I don't know why it has to be early. So, anyway, that's the Penrith service, all stations to Penrith. Long service arriving on a platform 2. Next stop, Doonside, then Blacktown, Parramatta, Strathfield, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point, North Sydney, Waverton, Wollstonecraft, St Leonard's, Artarmon, Chatswood, Gordon, Hornsby, Asquith, Barara, Woy Woy, Gosford, Narara, Niagara Park, Lisero, Rimba, Tuggerah and Wyong will be at stops. It came from Emu Plains. Service now departing platform number 2. Next stop for this train will be Doonside. Been on this train many times if you never knew that. H42 front half. Didn't see the rear half. What's the rear half, Thomas? And he has no idea. H54 front half, Emu Plains service. All stops to Emu Plains.
And we'll stop at Mount Druitt.
54 is now departing. Platform number 4, Emu Plains service. H28 rear half. Next stop is Mount Druitt, St Mary's, Warrington, Kingswood, Penrith, Emu Plains. Apologise for the sunlight. Service arriving on a platform number 1. Next up, this is Doonside, Blacktown, Seven Hills, Westmead, Parramatta, Lidcombe, Strathfield, Redfern Central. A31 is the set. A31 is now departing platform number 1 for a service to Central, then on to the North Shore line, to wherever. Oh, that's bright, far out. Apparently it's going via Penrith. Yeah, approaching. Arriving in a platform number 4, we have a Tangara for a Penrith service. Front half's off sector. T1. No, T3. Probably. Oh, and it's packed already, and it's only. Rear half is. I don't know. Get the V set when it passes. It'll probably block out the rear half of the T set. So yeah. Tangaras are departing. T3 front half. Rear half unknown. We got the V set screaming through. V20. And rear half of the T set is unknown. Might be able to get it through here. T69. Let's go. Wyong service. Next stop Doonside, then Blacktown, Parramatta. Yeah, Parramatta, Strathfield, Redfern Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point, North Sydney, Waverton, Wollstonecraft, St Leonard's, Artarmon, Chatswood, Gordon, Linfield, Gordon, Hornsby, Asquith, Barara, Woy Woy, Gosford, Narara, Niagara Park, Lisero, Arimba, Tuggerah, Wyong. H29 is the front half of the set. Rear half is
H21.
H21. Anyway, guys, see you later. Goodbye.